In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text and background colors in PDFs using Acrobat Pro. This is a great skill to have if you want to personalize your documents, make them visually appealing, or just give them a professional touch. Let's get started. First, we'll need to open Adobe Acrobat Pro. This powerful tool is essential for a variety of PDF editing tasks. Once you have it up and running, the next step is to open the specific PDF file that you want to edit. Make sure you locate the file on your computer and open it in Acrobat Pro. If you don't already have Adobe Acrobat installed, you'll need to do that first. It's easily downloadable from Adobe's official website. Once the PDF is open, our first task is to change the color of the text. To do this, simply highlight the text that you want to modify. Clicking and dragging your mouse over the text will select it just like you would in any word processing document. This selection tells Acrobat Pro, hey, this is what I want to focus on right now. With your text highlighted, look to the editing tools on the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a box that represents the current text color. Click on this box, and a color palette will appear, offering you an array of new color options. Feel free to be creative or adhere to brand guidelines. Whatever your goal, choose the color that best suits your document's purpose. Once you've made your selection, the text will automatically update to your chosen color. Now let's move on to changing the background color. This process is just as straightforward. On the left side of your screen, under the editing tools, find the Add Content section. Under this, you'll see a More option. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and in this menu, you'll find Background. Click on it to open up the background editing options. When you click on background, you'll see another option labeled color. Click on this to bring up the color selection menu. Just like changing the text color, you can now choose from a variety of hues to give your document a fresh new look. Once you've picked the background color you want, simply click OK. Your document will instantly reflect these changes, giving it a fresh and updated appearance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily change both the text and background colors in your PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This simple yet effective skill can greatly enhance the presentation of your documents, making them stand out and fulfill your specific needs. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy editing!